Hey everybody, Janelle here with another Proto Tech Tip. Today we're going to focus on the graphic files we accept when adding labeling and branding to your enclosure. If you haven't yet checked out our previous tech tip video on digital print versus silkscreen, I highly suggest you check it out. The link will be in the description below. There are two different types of graphics file formats, raster and vector. Today we're going to talk about the difference between each. There's one key thing to know right off the bat. We need vector files in order to ensure the highest print quality of your graphics. A vector graphic is a digital image created with software using lines and shapes in a 2- or 3-dimensional space. The biggest advantage to creating vector files is the ability to scale the files as big or as small as you need it without losing any quality. This format also allows you to be able to change the color with ease. Some common vector file types are AI, EPS, SVG, and you can also save them as PDF files. I mentioned before that we require these files to ensure the highest quality possible. When using digital print, we use an underbase of white under all printed graphics to ensure the most accurate color. With silkscreening, we use vector files to change the graphics to a solid black color in order to burn it into the screen properly. A raster graphic is created through software or captured through a camera, scanner, or other devices. So if you're sending us a lower quality raster image that needs to be scaled higher, the end graphic may end up losing quality and becoming blurry or pixelated. Some raster file types are PNG, JPEG, and bitmap. A vector file can be saved as a raster image, but a raster image can't be saved as a vector file. Keep this in mind when preparing files to send to us. To sum things up, when creating your graphics, vector files are the way to go for the best quality results. Thanks for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip, and we'll see you next week.